Welcome to Formula One 101. Whether you're new to the sport of F1 or you just want to learn more, you're in the right place. I figure one thing a lot of people don't know about is tires, and we should talk about it. Now, there are 5 types of tires. All tires are provided by Pirelli. These tires can range from C1, meaning soft, to C5, meaning hard. Fun fact, some teams, when they're done with the tires, shred them and they end up on playgrounds. So for all you could be walking on Carlos Sainz tires. On race days, you typically see the 3 different types of dry tires. This means there's no tread and it allows them to go faster. The first tire we'll talk about is the soft tire, or the tire you see with the red around it. This tire is the quickest tire, but does not have as long of a lifespan on it. Then we move on to the medium tire, or the yellow ring. This tire isn't quite as quick, but lasts a little bit longer than the soft tire. Last but not least is the hard tire, or the white ring. This tire lasts the longest, but it also causes you to go the slowest out of all 3. Now the other 2 tires, which you don't see as often unless if the track is wet, and these are, of course, the wet tires. This means the tires have tread, allowing the drivers to have better traction as they're going around the track. So you have the intermediate tire, or the one with green on it, and this is usually used for light rain. Then you also have the full wet tire, which is blue, because that makes sense, rain. This is usually used when the track is completely wet or it's raining pretty hard. The downside with the tread is it does cause you to go a little bit slower. Now, why don't you see one driver using the same tires the whole time? During the race, the drivers are actually required to use 2 different compounds. That could be soft, hard, whatever they want to use. They just have to use 2 different ones. You also don't see the drivers all on the same tire. That varies on the team's tactic and how they want to go about it, if it's raining, if it's not. They do have to be smart about it because they have to pay attention to how quickly the track is drying if it rains to allow them to pick the right tire and not cause them to slow down quite a bit. You also might see these drivers with the fancy little covers over their tire. These covers are used to keep the tires warm and also maintain the grip. If you're interested in Formula One, hit that follow button because we talk about it a lot.